Why SOTSU FlipAction Elite 16-inch portable monitor unlocks real productivity. You're in another hotel room or coffee shop, laptop open, trying to get real work done on a single screen. You scroll, zoom, switch tabs constantly, every minute wasted on friction instead of flow. Most people never notice the hidden cost, the slow erosion of deep focus, the extra hours you give to inefficiency, the quiet resentment that builds when your setup forces you to do less than your best. You finish the day tired, but not accomplished. Something feels permanently out of reach the moment you leave your desk, and you catch yourself thinking, there has to be a better way than this. That friction compounds. Every trip, every flight, every co-working day without true dual-screen real estate quietly steals your time, your energy, your best ideas. You lose hours just managing windows instead of creating or analyzing. You compromise on color, sharpness, ergonomics, then wonder why your work feels slightly off, slightly less proud. Your neck tilts, your eyes burn, your shoulders carry the weight of a setup that was never designed for someone who actually gets things done. Relationships get the tired version of you. Opportunities slip because you weren't operating at full capacity when it mattered. The worst part? You've accepted this as normal. One more tab, one more scroll, one more day of knowing you could do better if only your gear didn't hold you back. It's exhausting in a way no one talks about. This is where SOTSU FlipAction Elite 16-inch portable monitor enters, and everything changes. It's built around one brilliantly simple mechanism, a full-metal integrated flip-action hinge that lets you pivot from landscape to portrait, or any angle, in one fluid motion, then folds completely flat with the magnetic stand attached, half an inch thick, no case needed. You get quiet superpowers most portable monitors can only dream of. True 4K 3840 by 2400 sharpness with 100% DCI P3 color that actually matches your MacBook or calibrated studio display. Perfect eye-level alignment anywhere, rock-solid stability in portrait for code or documents, power pass-through so your laptop stays charged, and a computer numerical control aerospace-grade body that feels like it was machined for people who refuse to compromise. A photographer I know used to edit on his laptop lid in airports, squinting, second-guessing colors, missing deadlines. 3 weeks with the FlipAction Elite, he's delivering final selects from gate C17 with full confidence. Wait, you're allowed to have this level of performance in something that slips into your bag like a notebook? The moment you plug it in, you feel the difference. Instant 4K clarity, perfect color, no setup dance. Within a week, you're finishing tasks faster because you finally see everything at once. Spreadsheets breathe, timelines expand, code flows. By week 3, you realize you're no longer dreading travel days. You're actually sharper on the road than at your desk. Real numbers don't lie. 3,840 by 2,400 on 16 inches delivers desktop-class pixel density. Delta E is consistently under 2 out of the box, studio monitor territory. Developers report seeing 30 to 40% more lines of code in portrait without scrolling. Photographers and designers say it's the first portable monitor they trust for client deliverables. Tech reviewers who've tested everything call the FlipAction hinge the best engineered solution in the category. Nothing else even comes close. Plastic monitors with flimsy kickstands or clip-on contraptions simply live in a different league. I noticed this after 3 weeks. I stopped noticing the monitor was even there because it finally worked the way a second screen always should have.
The deepest benefit is simple. You get your full capability back anywhere life takes you. No apologies, no compromises. No more quiet resentment toward your own gear. Today is inevitably the day this changes for you, because the longer you wait, the more momentum you leave on the table. Link in the description. First one, pinned to the top. I'll see you on the other side, working the way you were always meant to.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.